So do you want to let me read your blog? What's the title tonight?
Overexposed and underappreciated.
Really, Jenna? Now you're just being emo.
I love it. That is Jillian Rose Reed, the rising starlet from Northville. We're so proud of her. New show, Awkward, is scheduled to debut later on this month, July 19th on MTV. And she joins us now live in the studio. Thank you so much for being here.
Of course, thank you for having me. I'm so excited.
So you're home just visiting family.
I'm here for the weekend. I know Art in the Park is going on, and I always used to go with my family when I was younger, so I decided I brought my best friend with me. We packed up, and we're like, let's just head out for the weekend
That's
and
fantastic.
go. Yeah.
Well, tell us a little bit about this new project. It's on MTV, and you play Tamara.
I play Tamara. Basically, Awkward is a new scripted series, comedy for MTV. It just takes a look at teenage life and how those incidents kind of define you as a person. And it follows Jenna Hamilton, who, like a lot of 15-year-olds, is feeling invisible, feeling a little awkward, and she has this accident, which she gets a little not so good stigma from, and she uses it in a positive way, which it sends the message of the show, which is that you can't control the things that happen to you, but you can change and control how you feel about them.
Yeah, it's a life message.
It
Definitely.
is.
So you've been involved in acting since you were just a little kid.
I have. I started in musical theater. It just made my passion stronger, and I started doing local commercials and stuff here in the
You were in a Ford Motor commercial, were you not?
I was, when I was 12, maybe.
That's
12.
so cool.
Yeah, that was my first commercial, my first big thing. And so when I was 13, I decided I could either hit New York for the stage or try film and television. And so I begged and begged and begged my mom to let me go to LA, and there I am. I'm in LA.
Your list of credits are long. You've been on so many different shows. Name a few of them.
I did some work on Weeds, which was a Showtime show, which was amazing. I've done an episode of Hung on HBO. I did Community, The Middle. I just finished a Disney XD show called Pair of Kings, which was so fun for me. It was my first Disney show, so that was exciting.
You're everywhere.
I'd like to think that.
No, it's fantastic. We're so proud of you.
Thank you.
What do you like most about this? Because when you started commuting to the West Coast when you were 12.
Yep.
So now you're living in Burbank.
I am.
And living the dream.
I am living the dream.
So has it just been crazy?
It has. It's been a wild and crazy and fun ride. It's a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication, but it's paying off. And I think the best part is just being able to go to work and meet all of these new people and play all of these new people and these characters. It's just an amazing experience.
You played the bubbly roles and now edgy roles. You really are very versatile.
I've done a lot.
Absolutely. Well, we're so excited for this new project. Again, Awkward. It debuts on July 19th on MTV. It is a comedy. So
it's a comedy. It's edgier. It's smart. It's funny. And honestly, you're going to relate to it no matter if you're a freshman or if you're 35 and you're looking back to those moments in high school.
It's going to be big. I can feel it.
It's going to be huge.
Well, thank you so much, Jillian Rose Reed. We are so excited for you, and you can follow her on Twitter at Jillian Rose Reed.
I love Twitter.
It's so much fun. But thank you again for being with us this morning. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Michael.
All right, guys.